Welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. Today we are going to check out the riff of Sunshine of Your Love by Eric Clapton. This is not exactly the version that the original song uses, but it's much simplified version for a beginner to play. First I'll play the riff and then I'll show you how to play the riff. Here we go. Okay, so this is how the riff goes, and now this is how we play it. It starts with the fifth fret of fifth string, and we play that note twice, and then we play the third fret of fifth string once, and then we come back to fifth fret of fifth string. And together this part sounds like this. Okay, then we switch to sixth string, fifth fret, fourth fret, and then third fret. Okay, and this part sounds like this. Okay, listen to the original recording, then you will understand you will better understand the rhythm. Okay, so together the whole part now sounds like this. Okay, then we switch back to fifth string, fifth fret, and then fourth string, third fret, and then fifth string, fifth fret once again. Okay, so here you can see there are 3 strings totally involved, and so your finger picking also should be the same way, right? So your finger should pick, it should synchronize with the left hand for the right hand, and for a beginner this may sound a little, this may feel a little difficult for the first few attempts. So stick to it and you will get better and better with this. So once again, okay, now if you want to add some extra challenge to it, you can also play this same riff in the fifth, fourth and third string. Till now we are just playing with the thickest three strings. Now we can move to the fifth, fourth and third string too. This riff can be played here as well in the same manner. Now everything switched down one string. So now it starts with the fifth string, fourth string instead of the fifth string. So now we play it like this. Okay, and now in this version this sounds like this. I mentioned earlier also, each of the riffs work some way in your fingers, right? Some flexibility it gives to your fingers, so whenever you are going to finger pick or things like this, these exercises will help. And these are basically not, these are exercises in disguise of riffs, basically I can say. Okay, so what this exercise does is that it allows you to switch strings, right? And then not only on the left hand, you have to switch the strings on your right hand as well, right? Otherwise you cannot pick this one. So your left hand and right hand should be in sync, otherwise you can't play it, right? So when I am in the fifth string, I have to play the fifth string, right? And then when I am switching to the sixth string, I have to switch my thumb to right hand, thumb to sixth string. Okay, and then when I'm coming back to fifth string, my right hand thumb should also switch now to fifth string, and then I'm moving to the fourth string. So does my right hand thumb, and then I'm again switching back to fifth string on my left hand. So does my right hand thumb, right? So it's completely a synchronization between left hand and right hand. That's why in your first few attempts you may not be correct, you may not be perfect, and you will go slow for sure. And practice it slowly. Some things are better if you do things slowly, right? As mentioned in my finger yoga exercises as well. So this is kind of yoga, right? So you don't do it in rush. Keep sticking to it, and things will get better and better as more and more you practice. That's all about this Sunshine of Your Love riff. Try it and let me know in comments how it went for you for the first few attempts.